You can see the Excel worksheet where we have listed the receivables from different customers in different months of a year. If you look carefully, there are only 4 customers. We don't have more than 4 customers. The name of the customers are A, B, C, and D. Using the COUNTIF function, what we are going to do is we are going to count the number of times each customers, that means A, B, and C, each of them have created a receivable with our company. So for that purpose, let us list the customer's name first. A, B, C, and D. So this is the customer name. Okay. And what we are going to find from the use of COUNTIF function is number of times they have bought on credit. Number of credit purchase. Okay. And let us give a name of the table, of the summary table. Number of times each customer bought on credit. Okay. So now what we can do, we can use the COUNTIF function. We can ask Excel through the COUNTIF function to count the number of times A has appeared in this list. Okay, so let us we can do that in 2 ways. Let me show you using the insert function dialog box. So in that case, what you can do, you can search for the COUNTIF function. We have got it already. Double click it, then you can see that it describes what this function do, and also what is meant by range and what is meant by criteria within the function. So what the COUNTIF function does is it counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. So what we are going to do, we are going to count the number of cell, okay, count the number of cell within this range that meet the condition. The condition will be the name of the customer. So if customer A appears 3 times, then the result will be 3, something like that. Okay, so let's try. So what is the range in our case? The range is this one, from B2 to B3. And what is the criteria? The criteria is it has to be equal to A. Okay, you can see it is showing A, that means it's correct. So it will count how many times A has appeared in these range. Okay, after entering all these elements, then we click done. You can see we have got A 4 times. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let me delete it and do it without the insert function dialog box. So we can do it in this way. After the equal sign, let us type the name of the function, COUNTIF. It can be capital letter or small letter, no matter. Then we can select the range. Then we can again select the criteria. Okay, the cell E3. That means it has to be equal to the content in cell E3. Now bracket close, enter. We have got the same result. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to copy the formula down so that the list is updated. Okay, I'm going to do that, but for sure it will not work until we make a correction. Let us count how many times B has appeared. Okay, B has appeared 2 times, twice, it's fine. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is showing 3 times, which is wrong. What is the reason? The reason is When we have copied this formula, copied the function down, you can look at the formula bar. Initially it was from B2 to B13, which is highlighted here when you click the formula. Then if we go here and now click the formula, you can see when we copy down the function one cell down, the range has also gone down. So what we have to do, we have to lock, okay, we have to lock the range so that it does not update automatically, it does not become relative. Okay, so let me delete all this, and in the first place let us lock it by typing a $sign before the column and before the row. Similarly, let's do it again, then press enter and then copy the function down, and you will see that it is okay now. So let us count. How many times D? 1, 2. Yes, it is 2. How many times we have got C? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is 4. How many times we have got B? Only twice. So we have got 2, and this one 4. So let us do some kind of beautification, I would say. So let us center it, bold this one. Okay, now we have got the table with a summary of the number of times each customer bought on credit using the COUNTIF function. Thank you for watching.